अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 12, क्विक रिविजन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 12. अब मुझे बोलो अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 12 talks about government grants. Government grants can be received from any type of government, cash incentive, duty drawbacks received by the government, all are covered here. Okay. Whenever government grant is there, you should check whether the government grant is received for non-monetarily or monetary. अच्छा बोल मेरे को. Non-monetary मतलब can I say received in kind? When you receive in kind, you should check, did you receive it for free or did you receive it at a concessional rate? Free matlab, we didn't have to pay for it only, but asset is coming in. So entry will be asset account debit to capital reserve account. Capital reserve account. This will be recorded at nominal value. Nominal value matlab 1 rupee or 100 rupees or 10 rupees, whatever. Clear till here? Okay. Concessional matlab you have to pay some money. जैसे asset का value was 500, you paid only 400. So entry will be asset account debit to cash account. We have paid 400. So we record the asset at what we paid. Clear till here? अच्छा अब मेरे को बोल, if you had to refund. If you had to refund, so what entry will be? Reverse entry, because they will take back the asset and not. Clear? If here you have to refund, then you have to check whether you have to refund the discount. That we received a discount of 100 rupees. No. If you have received a refund, you have to refund the discount, or we have to refund the asset only. If you have to refund the discount, matlab I have to pay more 100 rupees now. So entry will be asset to cash. So now my asset is at 500. And if you have to refund the asset only, they will take the asset and go. So matlab asset is going out. And they have to now pay me cash, because obviously I have paid 400. So now they have to pay me cash of 400. Clear till here? Okay. Then second, if we have received for monetary, matlab cash, then again you should check whether the cash is received for capital. Matlab they have given you money for capital, startup ke liye. So entry will be money is coming in, कैश और बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल रिजर्व, और इसका रिफंड करना पड़ेगा तो कैपिटल रिजर्व टू कैश. ठीक है? ओके. सेकेंड, इफ दे हैव गिवन एनीथिंग फॉर रेवेन्यू, मतलब डे टू डे एक्सपेंस, जैसे दे आर कवरिंग योर सैलरी कॉस्ट, दे आर कवरिंग योर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, एनी कॉस्ट लाइक दैट, then again you should check if it is given for 1 year or more than 1 year. Guys, now you have to pay attention. Okay, if it is for 1 year, then it is very simple. Whatever money is coming in, that you charge to P&L, either show it as other income or reduce it from the expense. Both are allowed. Either you show it as other income or reduce it from the expense. Both are allowed. Okay. If you have to refund, ulta P&L to cash. If it is for more than 1 year, then what you receive, you should save it in DGG, deferred government grant, and every year you should amortize by charging to P&L. Here I have assumed that is for 5 years. अब मुझे बोल, 3 years are over, so how much you would have amortized? 300. How much is left in DGG? 200. Now you have to refund. Now if you have to refund, how much you have to refund? Full 500. How much you have to refund? Full 500. So to cash you have to pay 500. How much will come from DGG? 200, because 200 is remaining, and balance 300 who will give? Our P&L. Because earlier you had put it to P&L, so now remove it back from P&L. Clear till here? Okay, last one. If you receive money for buying the asset, guys, this is the most important one. Then you should check. You have 2 methods of recording this. You have 2 methods. Matlab they are or option. They are not and option. They are or option. Clear till here? Okay. The first method is called as gross method. Matlab your asset is for rupees 100, but you have paid only 80. So balance 20 will be stored in DGG. Balance 20 will be stored in DGG. Every year, at the end of the year, you will record for depreciation. So entry क्या होगा बेटा depreciation का? Depreciation account debit to asset account. Here, let's say I assume that this will be for 10 years for the simplicity of calculation. So how much will be depreciation? 10. Along with depreciating, can I say DGG should also be amortized? So entry will be DGG account debit to P&L account. Can I say to P&L debit 10 credit 2? इसका मतलब ultimate P&L is getting debited with only 8. Clear till here? Okay. Now, let's say 2 years are over. 2 years are over, then you have to refund. कितने का refund? Full 20? Full 20? So 2 cash will be 20. Where will this money come from? First, look in DGG. If 2 years are over, you would have amortized 4. So remains how much? 16. Correct? And balance 4 will come from P&L. Balance 4 will come from P&L. Can I say your refund entry did not affect the asset account? Therefore, depreciation will also not change. Asset value will not change. Asset value will be same. 100 rupees was the original cost. First year depreciation 10. Second year depreciation 10. Remaining 80. Third year, fourth year depreciation will be same 10. It will not get affected at all. But in the net effect, net approach, there is a difference. Net approach matlab they say you have paid only 80. The record also is 80 only. So entry will be asset to cash 80. Correct? Asset to cash 80. Ab mujhe bol, if you have to refund. Sorry. At the end of year 1, you will provide for depreciation. Entry bolo. Depreciation to asset. How much? 80 divided by 10. 8 will be depreciation. Now, since you never recorded DGG, there will be no amortization also. So here also, ultimate effect to P&L will be only rupees 8. Here also it was 8 only. Here also it is 8 only. Clear till here? After 2 years are over, now you have to refund. Entry bolo. 2 cash. You have to refund full 20. And this will be asset account. Asset account debit 20 to cash account 20. Clear till here? Up. In the refund, asset account is recorded. So asset ka value bhi change hoga. Depreciation will also change. So the entry will be. Now, original cost of the asset you recorded 80. First year you depreciated 8. Second year you depreciated 8. तो बचा कितना? 64. Then now you refund, मतलब added to cost of asset 20. तो अब हो जाएगा बेटा 84. This 84 should now be depreciated in the remaining useful life of 8 years. Remaining useful life of 8 years. So how much will this be, beta? 10.5. So entry for depreciation will be depreciation to asset 10.5 in the third year. Am I clear till here? This is the main part. Don't get confused here. In the gross approach, asset is not recorded in the refund entry. Therefore, asset will also remain, depreciation will also be same to same. But in the net approach, it is getting affected. So asset value will change. And guys, here every student makes a mistake. Okay, you should always be in the remaining useful life of the asset. Am I clear till here? Okay.